What is going on, guys? We're right here towards the end of the day. Trying to get after it. Pretty burned out now. I'm putting in some hours. Look at this hill climb. We're just gonna hit it. Screw it, right? See what we can do. Good thing, because that is a pretty hairy at the top. A lot of the intro's been starting like this. See how I do that? Just wrap the bars. Just rack them all the way. Look at that. Let them just, then you can just do the little wiggle. A little wiggle jiggle. And find your easiest route out. Might not be the easiest because I can't see what's in this, but it works. All right. You know, that's how it happens. You know what I mean? Stuff happens. Enduro stuff right there, you know. We jumped that huge log. My body well for it, and the handlebars came up and slapped me in the gut. Slap me in the gut, I say. Slap me in the gut. Went through this Spanglish. whistling. Definitely can hear it whistling in the front. I believe it's the exhaust leak. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this vid. You call it a day. Got some good riding and we're getting better and better as we keep at it. Sucks when you're off the bike for so long, you know, and you still got the skills but they're rusty and everything looks crazy to you, and then you do it and you're just like, oh man, this is nothing, you know what I mean? So smash that like button, subscribe, and share this video. Most likely next vid, maybe in a week or two, or next area I ride, because I'll have a bunch of videos to upload throughout the next couple of weeks of this place. The next riding area will probably be Carnegie, because we've been here 3 times already. Time to give it a break, get some Carnegie footage and stuff, so stay tuned for that. Alright guys, peace.